Hello.
Okay,
Hello,
and
sir.
welcome back to the
Hello,
second
sir.
session of Weekend Institute. Are you all ready with your 5 examples? Vaishali?
Yes, yes, today's weather was very cool. The book second is it right?
No. Vaishali, we are talking about passive structure, so action is compulsory.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
if
sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Lakshmi Bora has a question, then Yogesh Mishra, I am coming to you. Okay. Yeah, Lakshmi Bora.
can you make sentence like we are told to do
Yes, perfect. We are told to do
some we are asked to stay at home.
this. For example, someone asks you, why have you come to school in lockdown? Then you can say, we are told by principal, that's why we are here.
Yeah, sir, that is
So
right.
can I make one
Yeah,
example?
okay. Yogesh Mishra.
Sir, I also want to try.
Yeah.
Sir, my sentence is like new law of ancestral property has been enforced by the Supreme Court,
Hmm.
and this show is watched by many people on YouTube.
Hmm.
And Sushant case revealed by his father again.
Hmm.
And this case has been probed by CBI. And my stolen car is found in the river.
Okay. For example,
That's it.
Sushant Singh might be killed. Sushant Singh might be killed. We don't know who is that. Sushant Singh might be killed.
Yes.
Yeah, carry on, Yogesh Mishra.
Yes. Yes, sir. I have done. I
Yes,
have
sir.
made
Sir,
the
may
5 sentences.
Okay. Subhas Paul, KU, Gujarat, then Pankaj, Mr. Pankaj Udaipur.
sir, this is Pankaj turn.
Mr. Subhas Paul, KU, then Mr. Pankaj. Hello. Okay, Subhas Paul is not ready. Okay, KU.
Yes,
Then
sir,
me.
this was, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm ready, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
Subhash
can I,
Paul,
sir?
sir.
I'm supposed to.
Yeah, you can speak now.
Yeah. Yes, sir. My dinner is served at 9 p.m. every day. I was served with
Excuse
7
me, can you
courses of
repeat? Can you
dishes.
repeat your
I
first
was
sentence,
called.
please? First sentence. Can you repeat, please?
My dinner is served at 9 p.m. every day.
Perfect. My dinner is served.
I wa-
Okay.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Then the next one is I was served with 7 courses of dishes at my dinner.
Hmm.
The next one is I was scolded by my boss yesterday,
Perfect.
and and then, and then a hard task was given to me to perform at my office today.
Hmm. Perfect.
And the last one is spoken English is taught in Weekend Institute. These are the actually we're concerned with that in our daily life.
Hmm.
I mean, in my daily life,
Hmm.
these things happens. This thing happens.
Okay.
May I,
Thank you,
sir?
sir. This much.
May I, sir?
All sentences have been
Yes,
made
sir.
by Mr. Subhas Paul correctly. Yeah. Now KU Gujarat, then Mr.
Thank you,
Pankaj
sir.
be ready.
Okay, sir. 1984 book was published in 1949. When I reached my home,
Yeah. Hello, KU. Hello.
You got
Okay, now Mr. Pankaj.
Hello, sir. May
Yeah.
my connection was lost.
Connection was lost. That is also passive structure. Connection was lost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, come on fast because I want to come to
when
the
I reached-
conclusion. Yeah.
Okay, sir. When I reached of my home, food was served on table. This
Okay.
mobile was launched 4 years ago. Bills are passed in every parliament session.
Okay. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Pankaj Udaipur.
Okay. Mr. Deepak returned back India yesterday. Second one is PUBG is banned in India. And third one is century was made by Dhoni.
Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay. So concept is clear.
May I, sir?
No,
I
it's
have.
okay. No, Subhash, please excuse me. I want to clear some concepts.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow I will give you chance to make more sentences because you will
Okay,
have
sir.
enough time to make sentences at home. Okay. So actually what we are learning now, we are
Okay.
learning to be auxiliary, Subhasri. What is our main topic?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Which is our main topic today? To be. Then we are learning the functions of to be. First function we have
Okay,
already
sir.
completed with the continuous tenses. Then second function we have started learning, and that is called passive structures. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have studied two functions of to be. Okay. So now please write 3 examples in your notebook, and you have to say me which is the wrong one and why. Okay. Write down the first
Okay, sir.
example. Anuj is watching TV. Write down the first example. You have to find out the wrong one. Okay. Anuj is watching TV.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My mother was cooking at 11 a.m. Over. Next one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
English is spoken in weekend.
Please repeat.
English is spoken in weekend.
The first one is wrong, sir. The first one.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Let me complete everything. So I want to check concept. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And last sentence, I am go to school every day. So you have to find out the wrong one from 4 sentences.
Fourth one, sir. Fourth
Why?
one.
Just tell me now.
Go to school every day.
Why fourth one
The
is
last
wrong?
one.
Why? You have to
Fourth one is wrong,
that
sir.
is your concept. That is your understanding. I want to check
Sir,
understanding.
Go to school.
I am going to school, sir. I am going to.
So now
It will be I am going to school.
okay, perfect, perfect. So this is your understanding. Okay, sir, to be. You have used to be. To be has some functions. To be is used in continuous tenses. To be is used in the passive structures. So in the continuous tense, when you are using MEs, you have to use action verb plus ing. So that's why fourth one is wrong. How can you correct this sentence? I am going to school.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you have any question, I will answer you. And I have two more topics. Any
Sir,
confusion?
could you please repeat the no, sir. Just I want to know. Could you please repeat the passive voice form of let?
Which one?
Let go to somewhere. Yes. On Monday, you told
Okay, okay,
passive
okay.
voice.
We are learning functions of to be. Anuj, we are not learning the whole passive structures now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, 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 may I ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
These passive structures, can we change these passive structures into active structures?
We can change, but we don't need to do it. That is a wrong method. Change into active and active to passive.
But we can't. I am asking you. Then how can we change? Cricket is played all over India. Then inactive, how can we change it?
People of India play cricket.
She wants to know.
You can use people.
Hello?
People play cricket. People, P-E-O-P-L, people play cricket all over India.
People. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. So that is, there is no use of using that thing. What I'm teaching actually, learn practically what is really useful for you. Create the situations and make and start using. So it will be very easy for us. Okay. So Jaya madam, would you like to say anything about auxiliary verbs to be auxiliary only? Then I want to change my one more topic. Hello Jaya madam, would you like to say?
Very nicely. Sir, hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Sir, already you have explained very nicely, and I think there is no need to say about auxiliary used. It helps it helps to describe some main verb. So when in the continuous tense, it only auxiliary means it is helping verb. That means these verbs are helping. So in that case, we are using, sir. And passive. So passive voice, sir. When we use passive voice, first one, when the person or when subject is not necessary, first thing, and when we want to give more emphasis on the action, so in that case we use only passive voice. And in some other reasons we don't know who has done the work. The work is done. Who has done the work, we don't know. Or it is sometimes it is understood. Suppose if I say my purse is lost, and it is understood that some robbers have taken away my purse. So it is not necessary to say that my purse is lost by a robber. No need to say. So sometimes it is when this doer of the action or subject is not necessary, and in this case also we use a passive voice. And sometimes we don't know who has done the work. Only the.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much, madam, for explaining this whole thing. Okay, we are learning practically here, and passive is not over here. Anuj, we are going to learn something more about it.
That's important.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
day by day, okay, today we have completed to be, then we will complete to have, then after that we will complete to do. Okay, step by step we will learn all topics. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now let's learn conversational English. How people, native speakers use short sentences in their conversation. And for that you need basic concept. That's why I taught you some primary auxiliary. Okay. So look at here. Here is a conversation. Can you see on your screen? Can you see on your screen?
Yes.
I am
Yes,
and I
sir.
don't. Okay. So here is a conversation. Someone is saying, that girl is saying, I am not tired. And that person is saying, I am. So what's the meaning of I am? I am also tired. Sorry, I am tired. Sorry, you are not tired, but I am.
Yeah.
Do you like tea? No, I
Yeah.
don't. Yes, I do. So in the conversation, we always use short language, short sentences. So the person can understand what you want to say. Can you see here? Okay, I haven't got a car, but my sister has. So what is the meaning of my sister has?
Sister has a
She
car.
has car.
He has a car.
Okay.
She has a car.
She has.
Here is a conversation. A and B, A and B, A and B. Okay. So Mr. Anuj and Ashok Maurya, please read this conversation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Please help me.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Are you tired?
I was, but I'm not now.
Do you think Anne will help on the phone this evening?
She might.
Are you going now?
Yes, I am afraid I must.
Okay. So what have you understood here?
That's it, sir.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thank you. So in conversation, in our mother tongue also, when we have a conversation with anybody, we always use short sentences. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So native English speakers also use short sentences. So we have to understand what's the meaning, full meaning of that sentence, short sentence. For example, I have a car, but Mr. Pankaj doesn't. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We all are here on this platform today, but Manisha Sharma isn't.
Yeah.
So these are the short sentences. Any confusion? No.
No, sir.
Okay, so short answers. Are you tired? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Okay, I will give you exercise after that. It takes only 2 minutes to complete. Will Alan be here tomorrow? He will be. Yes, he will be. No, he won't. Is there a bus to the airport? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, so to do. These are the primary auxiliary. To do. Okay, do and does. You all know that. I don't like hot weather, but Shu does. Means Shu likes hot weather. Shu works hard, but I don't. Means I don't work hard. Do you enjoy your work? Yes, I do. And in the past, we used did. Did you and John enjoy the film?
Yes,
I did, but John didn't.
Yes, I did.
I enjoyed the film. I did too. Did it rain yesterday? No, it didn't. Okay. So how can we use short sentences? Look at here. So I would like to invite Nageshwar sir to complete this exercise. Look at complete this sentence is use only one verb. Is, have, can, etc. Cat wasn't hungry, but hello Nageshwar sir, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, I'm ready. So, the second one, I'm not married, but my brother
Brother
was.
is.
Brother is good.
Brother
Is.
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 Is right.
Okay, oh, okay. Bill can't help you, but I can.
Hmm.
The
Yes.
fourth one, I haven't seen the film, but
Tom has.
Tom,
Tom has.
Tom has.
okay. Fifth one, Diane want to be here, but she is.
Chris
Will.
This will be. Will be. Yeah.
Will be, yeah.
Okay. The sixth one, we weren't late, but
I was.
Okay,
I
that's
was. Okay.
That's all. Perfect. Okay. So your statement is negative and your second sentence is quite opposite, but in the short, that's why you are using in the positive statement, short. So can you make 3 examples like this? Can you make 3 examples? All. This is your task now. Okay. So should we use this type of English in our conversation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Prakash sir speaks very good English, but I can't.
So please write down 3
Is it
examples.
correct, sir?
Absolutely correct. 100% correct. Ashok Maurya, are you ready?
Sir, I could try.
Yes, sir. I wrote one sentence.
Sir, may I?
Yeah.
Ashok has very good logical skill, but I haven't. Is it correct, sir?
Okay. Can you repeat again?
Ashok has very good logical skill, but I haven't.
Perfect. Perfect.
Sir, it is correct.
Sir,
My
may I?
friend is going office today, but I don't.
Sorry?
Friend is going off.
My friend is going to
I
office
won't,
today, but
I
I am
think.
not. I am not. I am not.
I
My
am
friend
not.
is going to office today, but I am not.
Sir, I won't, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
if I say I won't,
For
I am
where?
not. He's going to office today, but I won't.
I want.
What is say that
Okay,
I
no
am going?
problem. It's okay. I
He
will.
is going
Yeah,
to
yeah,
office
I will
today.
not. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. We can use I want.
No. Sentence. The same tense we should use, sir. Same tense should be there.
Okay, same, but in the conversation, it's okay. I'm teaching you conversational English. It's okay. The other person can understand what you want to say because it's a short sentence.
Yeah.
So may I?
Okay, you have already made sentence. Ashok Maurya now. This is a turn of Ashok Maurya.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So my first sentence is, I am not married, but Pankaj sir is. Ram wasn't tired, but we were. You weren't good, but I am. Sir, is it correct?
Okay, last one.
Weren't good. You weren't good.
Last one is, can you repeat?
You weren't good, but I was.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Me,
Perfect.
sir. Lakshmi.
Yeah, Lakshmi.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, Lakshmi, then
So,
Srivani also.
I am.
Okay, sir.
So my first sentence is I am keen on learning English, but my best friend is not. My
Isn't.
brother has a great passion on photography, but I haven't. Okay, okay. My friend Varvina cooks well, but I don't.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Now Srivani, and after that Manisha from Jammu be ready.
Good evening to all. My first sentence, I would play badminton, but my friend wouldn't. My friend has a t-shirt, has a new t-shirt, but I haven't.
Okay.
I am good at playing badminton, but my friend isn't. Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, Manisha from Jammu. Then
Thank you, sir.
Kinjal from Ahmedabad.
Okay, she is very good artist, but I am not. She can dance, but I can't. I am thirsty, but he's thirsty, but I'm not.
Okay, perfect, perfect.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Last, Kinjal from
May I
Ahmedabad.
try?
Kinjal now.
Okay, thank you, sir. I have a phone, my brother haven't. I can do it. Okay, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, carry on. I can hear you.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Okay. Hi. Okay. I have a new phone, but my brother haven't. I can do it, but my friend can't. She is very good dancer, but I am not. I might good food, but I can't.
Okay.
Because I can try.
Yes, you can try. Yes, absolutely correct. You can try.
I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, so nowadays everyone have a car, what I don't have. Okay. One sentence. Second sentence, to tracking, but he seems tired, but I haven't. I was not, right? Like. And third one, you can see that you can, my friend can eat egg, but I can't.
Okay.
That's all. Thank you.
Sir, in the first sentence,
sir,
we,
I would say
after everyone, we can use has.
Yogesh Mishra.
Yes, yes, sir. One question, sir. Like Sanjeev sir told us, like everyone has a car, but I don't have. Sir, is it correct?
I don't have. Okay, that is American
Or,
English. That is also right.
I haven't.
Okay, both are right. Okay, in America,
You mean
okay,
both
there
right.
is a different rule. In America, they say have. To have is a action verb. Okay, and British English people say have is auxiliary verb. So when you are using auxiliary verb, you need to use not only to make negative sentence. So I have not. I have not a car. I don't have a car. Both are right. I have not a car. That is British English, and I don't have a car. That is American English. That's why that is right.
Sir, I have got a car can also be used.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a car can also be used. I have got.
Yes, I have got a car. I have got a car. I have got a car. Perfect. So, okay. Actually, today I made a long plan to teach you, but we don't have enough time. How much time we have? Yeah, 5 minutes left. So that's all for today. So how do you feel today? Is it okay speed, or am I going fast? Should I reduce my speed or not? So please tell me. Because first time I have taught something on this platform.
It is perfect.
And tomorrow I
It
will.
is good.
It's good. Okay.
It
Tomorrow
was
I will
awesome.
complete. Okay. Is it useful for you or not? Or you think that, sir, we know everything our auxiliary, then why are you teaching us?
Yes, sir.
Very, very
It is
useful.
very,
Very useful.
very
Very much
useful.
useful for us, sir.
It is very helpful for our conversation.
Yes, sir. This is the basic things we should know about.
So that's why I wrote in our message, we all are fluent in English,
Thank
but
you,
we
sir.
need accuracy. Yeah. Okay. So that's all, and thank you very much for that. I would like to discuss something about our future plan. We all know that from Monday. Okay, Monday actually, Manisha Sharma will be our host. Okay, she is in IIT. We have two Manisha Sharma. Okay, one is from Jammu and one is from IIT.
Yes, sir.
And here also I can see two Manisha. So are you here, Manisha Sharma?
Yes, sir. I'm from Jammu.
Okay, and second one.
Sir.
Hello,
Sir,
Manisha.
I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, so you are doing IIT.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from UP.
You are from UP, but what are you doing? What are you studying now? Or we have third Manisha.
I'm a research scholar in IIT BHU.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. So you are our host on Monday, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. And tomorrow I will continue my teaching. I will have some more interesting topic, and I will be happy and you will be happy too after learning those all topics, okay? Okay.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Can you please share the topics of example?
Okay, you are not in group.
Already shared in the group.
Yeah, madam has already shared all topics in a group. That is in the PowerPoint presentation. That's why you did not open.
Actually,
Yeah, hello. We have less time and I want to discuss something. Yeah. Okay, so let's discuss about our future plan. Okay, next week we are going to spend with competition, and after that we will have grammatical sessions conducted by all teachers, Jaya madam, Shanta madam, Nageshwar sir, and Ruchi madam. Okay, and we will discuss which topic. Okay, I will teach like the conversational English. Jaya madam might choose any parts of speech. Shanta madam might choose any topic. Okay, so we will discuss, we will make a plan. So what do you think about this, our next planning?
It's interesting, sir.
Very interesting, very useful, sir.
Useful.
It is very useful.
And
That's a more
I think,
proper answer. It's a useful.
I think Subhash sir is also can teach.
No. I will be on the other side, not to I want to learn, sir.
Okay, because his background is not teaching.
I don't have much idea, but I'm still learning.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I want to learn, sir.
Yeah. So, you know, we all have a teaching background. Actually, day and night we teach. That's why we have chosen this type of teachers on this platform. Okay, so Santa madam, we have 1 minute left. So would you like to say something about this, our next plan? Hello, madam.
Sir, already discussed about that plan, example. Sir, am I
Not
audible?
example. I'm asking about the next plan.
Yes.
Grammar, teaching of grammar, you know, on our platform.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, on grammar, sir. So whatever you want to ask me to teach, I can, sir.
No, we can choose. Okay, I want to teach this topic. I want to teach. We will choose. Okay, I have already told you. I want to teach conversational English. and phrases. I will teach phrases
Okay,
and
okay.
conversational English.
Okay.
Okay, we have enough time for that. But in advance, I have told you, because we can make plan, we can make PPT or anything, whatever we want to make for that. And our all speakers can be excited. So something is going to come. New things in Weekend Institute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we have less than
Decide
1
and
minute.
tell you, sir.
Okay.